In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly produce your own passport or visa photo from any image that you have saved on your mobile device or your PC. So we're going to head over to Google Gemini's website and we're going to select Nano Banana, upload our image and paste in our prompt. And that's done. We're just going to hit generate. You may have to generate this image at least 2 to 3 times just to get the image that you really love. But by default, we're going to be stuck with the Google Gemini logo at the bottom. We're going to remove this quickly in Photoshop. And if you don't have Photoshop, you can still follow along. So now that we have removed the Gemini logo, let's have a quick look at where we started and where we ended. The end result is that we have a government compliant passport photo. So if you've been following along and you tried maybe like once or twice, maybe this is too complicated for you, I can do this for you. Just click on the link in the bio. So as always, comment, like, share if this was helpful in any way, and stay tuned for more how-to photography tips using AI.